Number 1. Go yellow. It means to turn yellow, often referring to aging or decaying leaves or paper.
The pages of the book went yellow over time. The pages of the book went yellow over time. Leaves go yellow and fall in autumn. Leaves go yellow and fall in autumn. Old newspapers go yellow if left exposed. Old newspapers go yellow if left exposed.
Number 2. Milk goes sour. It means milk becomes acidic and unpleasant to taste due to spoilage.
The milk goes sour if not refrigerated. The milk goes sour if not refrigerated. She noticed the milk had gone sour. She noticed the milk had gone sour. If left out, milk quickly goes sour. If left out, milk quickly goes sour.
Number 3. Time goes by. It means time passes, often more quickly than expected.
Time goes by so fast during the holidays. Time goes by so fast during the holidays. As time goes by, memories fade. As time goes by, memories fade. Can't believe how quickly time goes by. Can't believe how quickly time goes by.
Number 4. Price goes down. It means the cost of something decreases.
When demand drops, the price goes down. When demand drops, the price goes down. They waited for the price to go down. They waited for the price to go down. If the price goes down, they'll buy more. If the price goes down, they'll buy more.
Number 5. Go in for a competition. It means to participate or enter a competition.
She decided to go in for a competition. She decided to go in for a competition. They go in for a competition next week. They go in for a competition next week. He's nervous about going in for the competition. He's nervous about going in for the competition.